Hi guys. I got like a yellow headlights on my Honda CR-V, and I should have started the video before I cleaned this one, right? But trust me guys, it was really yellow. If anyone out there will know when a headlight get yellow, then you know I'm talking, alright? Okay, so what I did, I was just halfway through it, right? It was yellow, like, you know, like there, like up top, right? Right, so, and also this one as well was yellow, and I cleaned it, right? So I'm going to show you what I used to clean it like that. It was really yellow. These are plastics. I don't know why they use these in plastics. You know, plastics. You know, back in the days they used to be glass, so you could just wipe it. But now they're plastics, so whenever they go yellow, you have to like buy like a kit to clean it, or come up with some form of ways of cleaning it, or change the whole thing, replace and just get a new one. In this case, we don't have a replacement, so we're gonna try and clean it this time. So what I actually used to clean it is these. Alright, so I was doing a few research online, and I see people using WD-40s, WD-40, toothpaste, and the guy was saying something about baking soda. Right, so I said, why not? Why just use it? Why just use the WD-40? Why not just use all three combinations and just mix them together and clean it? Right. So what I did, what I done first was spray some WD-40 in it. Yeah, I did like I spray some WD-40 in here. What I kind of do is just like let it soak in it for about 2 minutes or so, and then what I did, I use a toothpaste, right? I use a toothpaste to just squirt some toothpaste in there like that. All right, you see, slide it off of it like a worm, and then what I use this just to use that, just use my hand to do like that. Right? Just use a toothpaste. Just use my hands. Nothing, just my hands I use. Right? And then I let it stay for like 2 minutes. Right? I let it stay for 2 minutes. And then I use the baking soda. Just the baking soda I use it just to put some baking soda in, like so, right? You know, like I think that's cool. Baking soda, just rub it over it like that. Yeah, you can use your hand to that. Yeah, and I give it a minute. Yeah, let me wash my hands off. Right. Right, and I got one of these scour pads. Yeah, I put it on a drill, my trusty Parkside drill. Right, so, and I got one of these pads, sponge. If I didn't have this, I'll just use just this piece of sponge to just work that in to, you know, do like that. But in this case, I'm gonna use the drill to spin it in it, right? Spin it in it until it gets a little bit, then I could see the result, right? So let me just move these. Let's put these up here. Let me just get these out of the way, guys. Sorry about that. So now, just gonna use this to could do this as long as you want, because this is sponge, so you ain't gonna do nothing to it. It won't scar it, it won't scratch the headlights, right? It won't do nothing to it because it's just sponge. Foam, let's say foam sponge, same thing. The only thing is trying to hold this steady. As you can see, guys, it's clearing up. You know, this one was worse, right? I'm just letting that one soak a little bit, right? So I'm back on this side now. This where you got a bit of yellow. Wow, this is just dancing. Let me turn it down a little bit. Turn on the power. You can see I'm actually concentrating more on there because that's where the bulbs are. There. I had my 2 hands, this would have done already. If I use my 2 hands on the drill, because I'm actually recording to my mobile phone. Let me change hands, this hand's getting tired. So just go to the left. Yeah. Okay, now it's gonna look a little bit foggy. Then what you're gonna do, get some fresh water. Get some fresh water, just dip that in the fresh water. And then rinse it off like that. Okay? Just like brushing your teeth. Yeah. Right? See you guys coming up like new. So I'm gonna put some more fresh water and I'm gonna do it before doing everything. I might just do it twice, just you know. So clean this shit as well. See? Giving it a good clean. See? Right, so just dip it again. Just rinse it out. Just put some more fresh water. See? Coming out. See? Guys, you gotta do it yourself, right? Now trust me, this was like, oh man, this was like yellow, right? Like the top up there, it was yellow. You see? This side now, I think I'm gonna yellow that way. Seriously. Seriously. You're gonna save a lot of money while doing this. Dip it again. Rinse it. Okay. You can change the water, get some fresh water. Okay. So you can rinse it properly. Well, you know what? First, I was planning to buy the kit, right? Come on, look at that. Before and after, okay? It's way better. It's not 100%, but it is better than what it was before, right? There you go. Anyway, guys, thanks for stopping by to watch my videos. And I can show you what I use. WD-40 with baking soda and toothpaste all mixed together. Right? So if I could mix this, that, and have it like in a tub, right? This, that, and put it in like in a bottle, could I sell that? I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think. So this is all what you need. You need like WD-40 baking soda, toothpaste to clean that. Right? Good to go. You don't necessarily have to have a drill. You could just use your hands too. Right? Anyway, guys, thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe to my videos, and looking to see you guys in the next one.